Good morning, students. Today's article is strength of Bohr model of an atom. What is the strength of Bohr model, or, or what is the strong point of Bohr model? First one is Bohr model of an atom could not explain the size of the hydrogen atom. The radius of hydrogen atom calculated using this model corresponded to known values of the hydrogen atom. This is the first strength of Bohr model. Then second one, an ionization value minus of E1 of hydrogen atom given by Bohr's model corresponding to the experimentally known ionization value experimentally known the ionization value. Okay, then third one is Bohr's model could account for the formation of spectral line. Formation of spectral lines in hydrogen spectra. Okay, Bohr atom gave the strong scientific but basis for the observed emission and absorption spectral lines. Emission and absorption spectral lines. We already studied in last lecture, such as Balmer, Lyman and Paschen lines. Then fourth one is Bohr found that the every energy level of the atom are quantizable. Atoms are quantizable. Bohr atomic model provided greater understanding for the working of periodic table designed by Mendeleev's Mendeleev Mendeleev and Moseley. These two scientists will design the periodic table by using the Bohr theory. Then fifth one is Bohr's atom used the nucleus idea of Rutherford, but not give an explanation the structure of electron cloud. Okay, these are the strength of Bohr model of an atom. The next one is drawback of the Bohr model. Drawbacks of the Bohr model. These are the strength of the Bohr model, but some drawbacks are Bohr model. Which one? They are as follows. First one is Bohr model is able to explain the spectrum of hydrogen atom. He is using for study the spectrum of hydrogen atom. It must be tremendously modified to accommodate other element with large nuclei and more electrons. He is then Bohr model is able to explain the spectrum of hydrogen atom. Then second drawback is according to Bohr theory, each spectral lines is a single line. According to Bohr theory, each spectral line is a single line, but some spectral lines split into two or three lines. Some spectral lines split into two or three lines, and this could not explain by Bohr theory. He is not give the explanation about splitting of lines, how to line split into 2, 3, 4 or more lines. Okay, then third one is Bohr theory could not explain why the number of spectral line increased, why the number of spectral lines increased for some element when they were placed in electric and magnetic field. When they were placed in electric and magnetic field. Okay, then next one is Bohr atom model could not explain the relative intensity. Then fourth one is could not explain relative intensity of the some spectral lines. Then fifth one is last one. The Bohr model could not explain how the orbital electron in an atom were distributed. It could not explain how the orbital electron in an atom were distributed around the nucleus. These are the drawbacks of Bohr model.